Hey Marigold. I just checked the news, and there's a polar vortex blowing west from Russia. Once Finland and Sweden are snowed in, it'll come here to Norway and snow us in.
Hey, Isaac, Victory, Piper, Melody, and Anne-Marie. What are you doing? Stop dancing on the ceiling like idiots and get your butts back to work. Piper, you're a psychiatrist, and a 20-year-old with bipolar disorder needs your help. Victory, you're a phlebotomist, and a 12-year-old needs blood work done. Isaac, you're a gastroenterologist. A 19-year-old needs her stomach and intestines checked out and tested. Melody, you're a psychologist, and a schizophrenic teenager needs you. Anne-Marie, you're a nephrologist, and a 21-year-old thinks he has a kidney disease.
Well, I'd better check on my patient, and tell him that his hepatitis results are negative.
Meanwhile, at North Central Hospital.
Phew, that was a crazy snowstorm. Good thing I've got Spencer and Nelly with me.
Tell me about it. It's 11 degrees Fahrenheit, which is negative 11.66 degrees Celsius.
Don't you know there's a ginormous polar vortex sweeping in from Russia? It started somewhere in Asia, then it gradually intensified as it gave Moscow anywhere from 17 to 23 inches of snow. Winter has already started early in much of Asia and most of Europe.
Yeah, I love winter storms.
I'll warn the others.
I'll check the radar.
Blizzard warning for all areas of Sweden, Norway, Finland, Estonia, Denmark including Greenland, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, Germany, Belgium, France, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Belarus, Ukraine, Iceland, Switzerland, the entire southern region of Canada, the entire northern region of the United States, the entire United Kingdom including Scotland and England, and the Netherlands. The largest polar vortex in over 300 years, originating in Vladivostok, Russia, is moving west and making a lap round the planet, leaving a stripe of heavy snowstorms, hail, sleet, and negative Fahrenheit temperatures across the globe. North Korea, South Korea, China, Mongolia, Kazakhstan, and much of Russia has already been coated with the most snow any of the mentioned countries have seen since December 23, 1711. Alongside severe whiteout conditions, there will be visibilities near zero, gusts up to 70 to 80 miles per hour, snow accumulations from 24 to 31 inches, and temperatures plummeting from 1 degree Fahrenheit to 22 degrees below zero. Travel advisories have been put into place.
Now, at Simulator Home.
Hey everybody, I'm back from the market with enough food to last us through this. Piper and Victory are coming soon, before the snow gets too deep.
Lots of snow means lots of fun. Who else loves lots of snow?
I do.
Me too.
Me 3.
Me 4.
Me 5.
Not me.
Yeah. We don't need 18 inches of snow. 2 to 5 is enough.
And we're home from work.
It was hard to get through the snow, even with chains, but we made it.
Isn't winter beautiful?
Who wants melting chocolate bombs with hot cocoa? People, I know this November blizzard is exciting. But you don't have to scream the whole house down.
Hee hee, we're all walking in an arrow pointing toward the kitchen.